Hey there. Are you considering opening up an affiliate marketing channel? Are you sure you want to do that? Affiliate marketing is not right for every company. Don't go out there creating a program all willy-nilly without putting some strategy behind it. That program is going to fail. And in 6 months, you're going to be super disappointed in the results. Better solution is to ask yourself some really tough questions before you go any further. Down below, you can click on my link. Get the download of my 6-question PDF. And if you answer those questions and still want to open an affiliate channel, then you and we're going to talk. 20-minute exploration call with me. I'm going to give you the straight dope. And if I'm not the right man for the job, I'm going to point you in the right direction. Pew! Pew! That's my daughter. She's a gem. Hope to talk to you soon, and good luck out there. Cheers.